Everything I'm going to bring in this trip is right here, almost everything. Here are all my bags, the sleeping and camping stuff, the cooking gear, the electronics, and here is all the clothing and my helmet. Today I'm going to show you what I'm going to bring for clothing and for personal hygiene. So as for bags, I'm going to bring 25 to 30 liters rucksack. I'm going to bring 2 small panniers like this one. They can hold 15 liters, more or less. Bigger panniers like this one, they can hold around 40 liters. And then I will also bring with me a hiking bag, but I will put it inside one of the panniers. So then if I go for a hike or for a walk around the city, I will bring this one with me and I can leave the panniers on the bike. First of all, I have a raincoat. I will bring it with me. I also have a feather jacket. This is very warm and I can wear it inside this one. Very useful, above all for the night, for hiking, and it's very warm. It's warmer than this one. Then I have a windbreaker. This one is super light. It's specifically for hiking, but the majority of the clothes I'm bringing are not for cycling but for hiking. But it works for me. I can put it everywhere because it doesn't take any space, and I think I will use it almost every day because on the bike there is always some wind. So I can wear it with a t-shirt or even with a fleece. It's very useful, this one. Then I have a thermal fleece. I can wear it when it's cold and on the bike also. With only a short sleeve t-shirt in the inside. It's very warm. I like it a lot. Then I'm bringing with me 4 t-shirts. So one of them is specific for cycling, one of them is for hiking, and 2 for running, but they are all very useful for cycling because they are very light, they breathe a lot, and they are easy to wash. Then I have a Merino Wool long pants. These are specifically for the night or for when it's cold. And then I have a long t-shirt, Merino Wool as well, for the night or for sleeping or for winter. This is a long sleeve thermal shirt. I think it's specifically for skiing, but it's okay, it works for me, and I had it in the cupboard for a lot of years already. This is not new. And then a short t-shirt which is thermal as well, it's warm. And just a cotton shirt for when I'm not in the bike or doing any sports. A regular short also for a regular day without cycling. And then specifically for going on the bike, this is the only culotte I'm going to bring, and it's a short one because I'm starting in April. And I will bring 2 convertible hiking trousers. The second one still has to arrive, but basically they are like this one, but in another color. They work very well because they are convertible and some areas of the trouser are more protected. I've been cycling with this one the majority of the days for my journey from Zaragoza to Delta y Lebrun back, and it works very well. And then I will bring with me 4 underpants and 2 bras, and then 3 hiking shoes. So I'm going to bring 3, and these one are warmer for the nights or for winter time. And then for the rain, I will bring with me a poncho raincoat and shoe covers, and then 2 gloves. The one for the day-to-day and one for, these are running ones, but they are very warm, so I will bring them with me as well. This is for the sweat, for wearing it with the helmet, and this can have multiple uses, so you can wear it as a scarf or also as a sweatband, and it's very warm and it's very useful. Some of the clothes I'm using, so some underwear or some socks, and also these thermal fleece are made of Merino Wool. A lot of cyclotourists and hikers recommend clothes made of Merino Wool because it's warmer, it dries fast, and it doesn't smell. Now for shower and personal hygiene. I'm bringing one 4-liter water sack, which is this one, and it has 2 valves, the normal one and the one for shower. Then you fill it with water, you hang it in a tree, and then you can shower. Easy like that. I'm bringing 3 towels. Each of them are from different size, and these one are pretty compact and they dry very fast, so it's perfect for traveling. Then I have my contact lenses, my sunglasses, my regular glasses. I have sunscreen and lip balm with UV protection. And then I have a sponge. Then this is the soap for washing my clothes. This is for the hair, solid soap for the hair and for the body and face. I don't know if it's too much, but I think I can use the one that I use for washing my clothes for washing my body. Even if it's organic, I rather not do that. Then I have one nécessaire, the toothpaste, the toothbrushes, the lip balm and hilo dental. And then I have my retainers that I still have to wear them. And I have a second one here. So I have a small bottle for the contact lenses cleanser. I have this kind of deodorant, alum deodorant. I've been using this kind for more than 5 years and I never came back to the traditional. It's more useful, cheaper because it lasts a long time and you don't smell. Then I'm bringing also my menstrual cup, which I've been using for almost a year and I won't come back to the traditional ones. I have my hairbrush and some earplugs as well, just in case. And here I'm putting, yeah, it's a weird container, I know, but I have the basic things here. So the nail clipper, the cotton things, and the pinza. ¿Qué más? And what else do I have? So as for the sandals, this one I bought them a few years ago and they work well. They are not very heavy. I can even use them in summertime for walking, but also for shower or for bathing. And the last thing I'm going to show you is so this is the only pair of shoes I will bring with me. They are for trail running, but they are very versatile because I cycle very well. I can walk with them, I can hike, I can run with them. I think trail running shoes are the most versatile for this kind of trip. All my clothes, I'm going to put them in these organizers. So here and here, and I think everything has to fit in here, except for the feather down jacket and the rain jacket. And also one thing I wanted to say is that, as you can see, I have very little clothes specific for cycling, because at the end it's not really necessary to buy or to wear clothes that are specific for cycling, right? Because you are going to cycle, you are going to camp. There are days that you are going to stay in the city or hiking, and this is pretty much it in terms of clothing and personal items. I still have to prepare the medical kit. I still have to buy a few things for that, but everything else is here. And also, I didn't begin this list of things from scratch. I've been looking at other cyclotourist websites, so some of them have very useful resources. Mainly, I've been looking at the website of Vivir en Bicicleta and also 50 al Día. Both of them were very useful to me, and that's how I was able to buy or to use everything from here. In the next week, I will show you what I will bring as for electronics, what I will bring for sleeping and camping, and my cooking equipment.